The biggest problem which plagues banks in recent times is customer retention. According to statistics, bank loses 20% of its customers base every year. Statistics also indicate that if a bank retains 5% of its customers, its profitability will shoot up by 200%. It has been observed that 77% of banks' customers took a new product, but only 52% chose their primary bank.
Banks need a one-stop shop where these problems can be addressed effectively and efficiently. JMR Infotech introduces Genie D Banker, a unique solution that will integrate with any existing internet banking solution. It provides a unified platform to bring bank, customer and vendors together and helps bank in generating additional fee-based and asset-based income. This one-of-a-kind solution will manage the dynamics of your ecosystem and open a world of unforeseen opportunities for you. This solution will not only win you loyal customers but also provide you with a unified digital platform wherein you manage various stakeholders together. Genie D Banker is a platform which empowers banks and financial service institutions to significantly increase asset-based and fee-based incomes by proactively focusing on entire banking and non-banking products and services. Yes, you heard it right. Genie D Banker allows banks to earn profits through sale of non-banking products and services too. These products and services can include lifestyle essentials like automobile, real estate, insurance, education, lifestyle goods, white goods, electronics, leisure, etc. Entire gamut of lifestyle essentials. This is a fully automated and integrated platform which can manage B2, B2C offerings to take care of all workflows, processes, communications, requirements of a bank, empaneled vendors and banks' customers. Genie D Banker provides banks' customers with a single window to complete the purchase from making inquiry to transferring payment. It provides a registered vendor access to the tool for publishing brochures or deals on the fly. It also grants them access to controlled view of inquiries, queries, or approvals for them to respond. To sum it up, Genie D Banker gives banks complete control and view of transactions, right from offers posting by approved vendor on the fly for bank's customer to manage the complete interaction between bank, vendor and customer digitally, including loan approval process if the customer wishes to avail a loan. All this without exposing their customer data to the vendor. To help you understand the solution better, let us see the hypothetical scenario of automobile purchase. In this scenario, bank shortlist a car vendor who is interested in offering exclusive deals to bank's customers. Bank negotiates the deal and SLA with vendor. During this process, bank can negotiate on commission margin per sale or keep a small margin as their fee from the negotiated deal and extend the balance to the customers. On deal finalization, vendor is provided with access to Genie D Banker and it allows them to design the offer and elaborate the SLA on the platform. Bank approves the offer and SLA, after which the same gets published in Genie D Banker for prospective customers to view the offer. This activity can be targeted to select customers as agreed between bank and vendor. When customer logs in, they get to view the offer. If interested, the customer can raise query RFI for the same. The query or RFI is directed to bank and they in turn pass the same to the vendor after masking personal information. Vendor receives the enquiry and responds to the enquiry as per agreed SLA. Bank verifies the response for correctness and shares the same with customer. Customer evaluates the response or offer and notifies bank of his or her willingness to proceed with the purchase. This triggers loan approval process with Genie D Banker. Bank provides payment options to the customer and also offers a pre-approved loan or EMI option based on customer's financial rating. Customer selects the payment or purchase loan option and intimates the bank. On receipt of payment instructions, loan remittance, bank notifies the vendor. Vendor raises the invoice and ensures delivery of vehicle to the customer as per SLA. Notifies the bank of successful completion through Genie D Banker. Customer acknowledge the receipt of vehicle to bank through Genie D Banker. Bank makes payment to the vendor as per agreed SLA. Let's look at some of the capabilities this unique platform is enabled with.
End-to-end queries management capabilities from raising and fulfillment of customer inquiry.
Automatic loan processing. MIS reporting, cross-selling financial products, audit trail, credit scoring, automated and customizable workflow-driven process, lead generation, reward points, online chat with bank's customers and vendors, dynamic form building, push market campaign, targeted marketing. So why should a bank invest in Genie D Banker? The benefits which a bank will reap from this product are very significant. Banks will be benefited by increased fee and asset-based income. The platform will help them make money not only by sale of banking products or services, but also by sale of any lifestyle essentials. Education, electronic, white goods, automobile, leisure, entire gamut of lifestyle essentials which will open limitless revenue opportunities for the bank. Structured cross-selling and upselling, digital lead generation and lead filtering, dynamic communication, reduced cost of sales, better margins, reduced missed sales, higher customer stickiness, quick return on IT investment. The benefits that Genie D Banker offers to banks' customers are as follows. It provides a single window for purchase and financing of products and services, a wide range of banking and non-banking products and services, generic and specific customer offers and promotions, checked loan or insurance eligibility, compute loan or insurance amounts, and upload relevant documents for immediate processing. It's a trusted medium for shopping and payment processing. The customer can earn loyalty and reward points from shopping and customer referrals. The customer receives multiple payment and delivery options. Genie D Banker offers a host of benefits to vendors who tie up with the bank. Here are some of the benefits. Vendors can reap the benefits of great visibility of their products and services. They get access to captive customer base of banks. They also obtain easy access to finance products through tie-up with the bank. Higher conversion ratio by offering generic and specific offers and promotions. A better return on sales expenses. It creates new opportunities for vendors to become customer of the bank to avail various products. Banks will be benefited with significantly high asset-based and fee-based income. Increased customer retention and loyalty. Top line and bottom line revenue by increased gross sales. Varied financial and non-financial products or services revenue. Cross-selling revenue. And is a single window service for offering deals, managing requests, processing and fulfillment. This platform has some takeaway for all the stakeholders, including customers and vendors. Customers will have a trusted medium for shopping and variety of choices and services, all this on a single window for purchase and financing. Similarly, vendors can reap the benefits of target marketing with a higher conversion ratio, easy access to finance products, and increased top line and bottom line.
Overall, this platform provides a win-win situation for all the parties involved, thus maximizing the efforts of each and every one. To know more about Genie D Banker, talk to our subject matter expert at or write to us at www.jmr.com. infotech.com.